Hi everyone, this is your cooking mommy Francie back again. And since the holidays are over, I'm going to share with you another for my cooking videos again. And this time I'll be sharing with you how I cook my glass noodles or sotanghon or tong fan called here in Taiwan. Join me as I cook these glass noodles, some kind of Taiwan style. Join me guys! So here is my glass noodles. Sisotanghon, I soak already with water. Yan, dalawang kumpul-kumpul ang batawag dyan. Bundle. And my ingredients are ito. Already prepared kasi it's almost 12 o'clock. I have my cabbage, repolyo, and I have carrots, and I have the mushrooms, dried mushrooms, kasi yung ate ko before nagluluto siya. Nilalagyan niya ng pengan daga daw. So, wala ako nun dito. So, I'll just put mushrooms, dried mushrooms ito. Ito siya. Nahiwa ko na. And the garlic. And I have chong or spring onions. And I have here the chicken. Ayan. Yan lang ang aking isasahog. I don't know if this is how you cook this the same. Yan. Ito lang kasi yung available ingredients here. And wala ako yung pangkulay, yung food coloring, yung atsuete daw. Sabi ng ate ko. Kasi I forgot not to cook this noodles or sotanghon. Okay, let's start cooking. Okay, let's heat up the pan. Turn on the exhaust fan. Let's now add cooking oil. Isa daw muna with the garlic, yung chicken. Kasi tinanong ko actually si kagabi sa ate ko eh. I forgot na how to cook this. So let's now add, I will first put the, this one, the mushrooms. Para mabango muna siya before the garlic. Kasi yung garlic madaling madaling masunog. So, inuuna ko yung mushrooms. And then, if you're adding pork or chicken, inuuna ko yung meat. And, fry na yung chicken. Luto na baka mawala siguro yung lansa. Then, that's time na to put the garlic. Para hindi masusunod yung garlic. Then I'm gonna add water. And by the way, it's our lunch. And I will be adding some rice lang. Kasi meron ako na pinakahapon na rice. So, inaan ko na yun. Para hindi masayang o hindi masyadong makaganan na bahaw. Ano yata ang tubig kasi may sabaw ito eh. Parang sotang soup. Nasunog pa rin. It's almost 12 o'clock. Oh, 12 o'clock na pala. So, is now waiting for me. Ayan. boil. Let's cover it. Ayan. And let's wait, guys. Okay, my water is now boiling. Let's open it. Whoa! Ayan, yan na lang ang food coloring ko yung carrots. Carrots na lang, kaya inuna ko siyang nilagay. So, we'll now add the noodles. The glass noodles. Ayan. Kung kasya na sa amin ito ni Lolo. Dalawa lang naman kami ni Lolo. Parang ang dami ng water ko Okay. Let's boil it first. Let's cook the noodles before adding the spring onion. And then of course salt. Salt to taste later. Kasi sabi ni Amo, maglalagay daw ng salt when it's almost done. Yan naman ang natutunan ko dito. Okay, Amo. It's almost done. That's the time you add the salt. You add salt. Ayan, mabilis naman kumulo. Pero tagal pa ito paluto ang sopa. Parang ang dami ng water ko Sa bagay, i-add ko pa yung vegetable. Cabbage. Yan. Complete naman na siya, guys. And then, I will add the rice nga pala. Yung rice ko, pagka may leftover na rice, sabi ni Amo, ipa-plastic daw and then put in the freezer para hindi daw siya mapabali. It will last a long time. Yan. So, kasi tayo, di ba, kahit pansit or any noodles ang kinakain natin, we still eat rice. So, ako, inat ko na lang. Kanya-kanyang style lang yan. Parang lugaw. At the same time, may noodles. Kasi dito, if the food is noodles, like pancit bihon, or spaghetti, o dito nga, hindi ko makain ng spaghetti actually. Tapos, or ito na lang, no more rice. Kasi kompleto na siya This is na rin carbohydrate na rin yata yung Ayan. Lutuin lang natin yung yung sotanghon and then I will add the cabbage. Let's check na kasi nababad naman siya Luto na. It's already cooked. So, I'll add na the cabbage. Here, ang kong cabbage. Ipin-ipin. Yan, cabbage. Natural color lang siya. Wala nang coloring. Food coloring. Kasi meron na siyang kumpleto na siya with vegetables, with meat, with carbohydrates, and then at the same time soup. Ayan. Andiyan na siya lahat. So dito, pagka ganyan ng food, hindi na nagra-rice. Only for the rice. Pagka ganyan. Let's wait for it to boil na lang. Mga few minutes. So it's now boiling. We'll now add the sugar. Salt. Add mo ng sugar. Lasa. Mangyayari. Okay, let's add salt. Here I I don't use Pepsi anymore here. Ayaw ni amo. It's bad for the health daw yung Pepsi. Pero yung hipa niya, nagluluto siya. Pag siya nagluluto, nagpi-Pepsi. O hindi na. Sarap naman pa ito ng Pepsi. Let's taste it. Medyo matabang. A little. Let's add some. Yeah. That's enough. Yarn. Is this how you cook also? Sotanghon or glass noodles. Let's taste again. Got it. So let's now add the spring onion. Sprinkle it. Sprinkle the spring onions. Okay, does it look yummy? It's done, guys. Ready to serve. Turn off the fire. And let's sandok-sandok na. Okay. Okay. Take a closer look on my glass noodles soup. Ayan. See? Masarap ay. Pwede rin yata itong lagyan ng chicharo pero I don't have it. Yan. Glass noodles. So, thank you guys for watching. This is your Cooking Mommy Francie saying may God bless us all. See you on my next vlog. Bye everyone.